Hello, today I'm on the Traffic Stop channel and we're going to give you some more free codes for a site. Today it's called Mailigenics, Mailigenics.com. And Mailigenics is part of a network of sites owned by the same person who's paid me quite a few times, so you could also promote these sites, and I've always been paid, so yeah, it's always nice to be able to say that you got paid by somebody, because occasionally there's someone that doesn't like to pay, but most of the people that pay me, and this loaner has paid me. So once you sign up to Mailigenics and log in, this is what you'll see. It's messy, there's a lot of things, but so that's why I'm just going to show you the main things to save your time. The main three areas are voucher, earning, and mailer right here. As an extra, if you want to promote it, you can go to affiliates and splash pages, and you would find your splash pages here. I'm using this one, Claim Your 2026 Traffic Pack one, which of course this one might expire because it's 2026. You may have to change it out, but that's it. It's a nice page, and it's got your first promo code today, Launch 2026. So Launch 2026 is your first code today. On these sites here, they use this script. They use a different word called voucher. It's not really the right word, but yeah, we just understand that a promo code and a voucher are really the same thing. I don't really think that most sites use the word voucher, but they use promo code. But it's the same thing: voucher code, promo code. And I got a few codes here, but one or more might not work because I think the Easter 26 had a limit. So this one's probably not working anymore. But Launch 2026, my gift to you and welcome. So try all of them, although again, this Easter 26 is probably not going to work because she said there was a limit on it, like a time limit. But try these. Once you try them, enter them, click redeem now, and then you should have credits. Because most of my credits have been from promo codes, although in this case, like in some sites, if you go to mail, send email. I've sent one today, so it's going to say this, right? It's going to give this message: you've reached the daily limit. But otherwise it may say you have to click 5 ads. Email clicks required 5, so then just click earning and unread emails. And then view 5 of these here. And then go back to mailer. However, email drafts, you can save an email. So I just save this one. Just enter it, save it. Once you enter it and save it, then you can come to the email drafts page, click actions, and send email, which is better than the send email feature because you're able to save it and then just click actions and send email, and it loads everything automatically that you've already saved. So it's better to do it that way. So vouchers. Today, try all of them. Although again, Easter 26, if you're trying it now, probably won't work, but try these 4. And you'll have some traffic that you can credit, so you can use to send out and get some traffic. Also in the mailer, if you just click emails, it says emails And it's a history of the emails that you've sent, including click-through rates. So you see 25 visits, 26, 27, 27, 26, 20, 23, 15, 25s. So it's working and getting traffic. I mean, the site has 300 and something members. That's actually, it has one of the better click-through rates so far. So that's your traffic for today, Mailigenics.com. Check the link in the description. It'll have this link here. So you don't have to copy it now, just go to the link in the description. So that's your free traffic for today. Daily reminder. Traffic G is the traffic exchange if you haven't joined it yet. I've got some, if you get my coaching, I got some secrets on Traffic G, and I'll teach you all of those. But if you check the description for this channel, it'll have a link to my coaching offer. So Traffic G is one of the sites where I have some secrets that I'll teach you. And I've made documented sales from this site, even though a lot of people don't make sales from this site because they don't know how to use it. It's not just what you use, sometimes it's how you use it, and that's why my coaching is for, to teach you how to do something, because most people will just give up because they don't know what they're doing. They give up before they even make a single sale a lot of times because they just don't know what they're doing. So again, it's not always what you use, but how you use it. And when you get my coaching, that's one of the things that I'll show you is how to use a site like this. But for now, you obviously you can always just redeem the promo codes that I give you for free here. If you're not ready for coaching yet. See you next time.